Hey guys, how y'all doing? Shantae McLean here, back again to bring you guys another video. So how are you guys doing? I hope you are having an amazing day. Happy New Year again to you guys. Hope your 2024 is starting off really great. I really hope y'all can hear me okay. I have my heater turned on. It's kind of cold in my room, so it's kind of loud. So I really hope that you guys can hear me clearly in this video. All right, so let's get going. First of all, let me ask you guys, please subscribe to my channel and please click the bell notification so you can be updated every time that I make a video. I also want to thank the people who have already subscribed. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my information, okay? All right, let's get down to it. So in this video, I want to go over the compensation plan with you guys, okay? So what I'm actually going to do, because I'm just going to be 100% transparent with y'all, I am awful when it comes down to explaining compensation. Like my ADHD kick in, and it's just I'm not the greatest at doing that. If it's affiliate marketing, I usually can do that because it's usually just a one flat out way they pay. They usually pay you based on everybody you bring in. But when they got like 3x10 matrices and you get paid this way and that way, my ADHD kick in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually play it's just a 6 minute video of our compensation plan. I'm gonna let the video explain to you how it all works. I'm still gonna be on here, but I'm just gonna play the video, and then once the video ends, I'm gonna pop back on and close out this video. Okay, but I'll speak to you guys for a few more minutes once the video is over, and then we'll close it out. All right. So all right, let me get started. Let me get you this video on the compensation plan so you can understand how you are going to make money with Xcelerate. All right, guys, here it goes. Let me turn it up. Hopefully, y'all can hear. All right, here we go. All right, guys, that is the compensation plan in a nutshell. Like I said, honey, I just wanted to let y'all hear it from the company because, baby, if I tried to tell y'all, I would have screwed all that up. Because, like I said, baby, my ADHD kicking. But yeah, so that's the compensation plan. I will definitely make sure that I think I'm gonna add the link to this video in the description of all my videos on YouTube. So if someone wants to go, in any video I make and see what the compensation plan is, they can just go in the description and it'll be there for them. But I hope that the breakdown of the compensation plan was helpful to you guys. And like I said, do your research. Please do your research. I always encourage that. Never jump into anything. Do your own due diligence and your own research. And if you decide to Xcelerate is a company that you want to be a part of, I would love to have you on my team. And like I said, I would do anything to help you. We have great support on my team. We have training. So be there for you. Anything that you need, just reach out to me. Go in the description. And if you need to message me on Facebook or contact me, all my information will be in the description. All right. I hope that video was helpful. And I will see you guys on the next video. Y'all have an amazing day. Talk to y'all again soon. Bye.